Now let's discuss another example which demonstrates sort locale string flag usage. As mentioned already, sort locale string flag is used to compare items as strings, based on the current locale. It uses the locale which can be changed using setLocale function. So here we have a locale sensitive collection of values in Swedish language. And this comment here demonstrates this is the result we expect after executing sort function on this array. As you can see here, sort function is called on our array and sorted values are then printed on the screen. So let's run the script now using sort regular mode, which is set by default because we don't specify sort flags parameter this time. As you can see, the output produced is not what we expect, so this is where sort locale string flag can help us. Let's set it and run this code again. As you can see, the output is the same as in previous case. This is because, as already mentioned, we first need to set current locale using setLocale function. So our call to setLocale function will look like this. As first parameter, which is category, we specify lccollate constant, because it is used for string comparison, and in our case string comparison is all we need. And it will happen during sort function execution. Since we want to sort Swedish words and because I'm using Windows 7 in this video, we'll use Swedish as our language and Sweden as our country. I will also specify code page 1252. This is because I know that in this case sorting will work as expected for Swedish language, just like with UTF-8 encoding on Unix or Linux. Also important note is that you need to make sure that your PHP script where this code is stored is also encoded as Windows 1252. Otherwise, sort function will not work as you expect. And to correctly display output in your browser, you will also need to tell it which char set to use. As you can see here, you can do it by sending this header, where char set is set to Windows 1252. Now, to make it clear, again, we are using Swedish Sweden 1252 locale, because sv_sc.utf8 locale is not available on Windows 7 and will not work. And among two available code pages for Swedish Sweden locale, only when code page 1252 is used, sort function will work as expected on Windows, just like sv_sc.utf8. So on Unix-based systems, you can safely use sv_sc.utf8 for Swedish locale. And also make sure that your PHP file is UTF-8 encoded to avoid any problems during sort function execution. And if you want to display the result in your browser, you can also send a header with the char set attributes set to UTF-8. Use similar approach for other locales. So now when setLocale function with required parameters is called, we can execute sort function in sort locale string mode. Again, this flag tells sort function to take currently set locale into account. And what is also important, language-specific sorting properties will also be taken into consideration. If I run the script now, as you can see, the output is the same as expected result. So now sort function works as we need.